Hello and welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you here with us. Our channel is all about technology, where we share informative, entertaining, and engaging content that we hope will inspire and entertain you. We believe that technology is the future and we strive to create content that reflects that. Our goal is to provide you with high-quality content that is not only enjoyable to watch but also educational. So, whether you're here to learn something new, get inspired, or just have a good time, we have something for everyone. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and join our community. Thank you for being here, and we look forward to sharing our journey with you. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's class on Facebook marketing. In this class, we're going to be covering everything you need to know to create a successful Facebook marketing strategy. From setting up your Facebook business page to running effective ad campaigns. The first step in any Facebook marketing strategy is to set up your business page. This is where you'll be able to share updates, post content, and interact with your audience. Here are the steps to setting up your page. 1. Choose the right category for your page, e.g., local business, company, public figure, etc. 2. Fill out your profile information, e.g., name, address, phone number, website, etc. 3. Add a profile picture and cover photo that represents your brand. 4. Customize your page tabs and sections to make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Once your page is set up, it's time to start thinking about your content strategy. What kind of content do you want to share with your audience, and how often? Here are some tips. 1. Post a mix of different types of content, including text posts, photos, videos, and links. 2. Make sure your content is relevant and valuable to your audience. 3. Post consistently to keep your audience engaged. 4. Use Facebook Insights to track your page's performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Finally, let's talk about running Facebook ad campaigns. This is one of the most powerful tools in your Facebook marketing toolkit, and it's important to get it right. Here are some tips. 1. Define your target audience carefully, based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. 2. Choose the right ad format for your goals, e.g., image ads, video ads, carousel ads, etc. 3. Create compelling ad copy and visuals that grab your audience's attention. 4. Set a clear call to action, CTA, for your ads to encourage conversions. 5. Use Facebook Ads Manager to track your campaign's performance and optimize your targeting and messaging. That's it for today's class on Facebook marketing. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to set up your Facebook business page, create a content strategy, and run effective ad campaigns. Remember to track your performance regularly and adjust your strategy as needed to stay ahead of the game. Thanks for joining us today, and happy marketing! Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share the video.